5 seconds to go. Start. Even people who do not believe in planning hyphen they are becoming fewer and fewer hyphen people who believe in what is called free enterprise comma are gradually realizing the limitations of free enterprise stop. In a country like India comma situated as we are comma there can be no free enterprise in the absolute sense stop. In our circumstances comma I am quite certain that with an unplanned free enterprise comma approach comma we cannot make any progress at all stop. If there is any progress comma it will be lopsided stop. We can put up factories here and there comma but it will result only in riches here and greater poverty there stop. That is not what India aims at stop. Further comma the total wealth production of the country will not be as great as through planned effort stop. That is a patent fact requiring no proof stop. The essence of planning is to find the best way to utilize all resources hyphen of manpower comma of money and so on hyphen and the essence of free enterprise is to leave these things more or less to chance stop. Well comma if chance is a more satisfactory way of dealing with the problems of life than carefully hyphen thought out methods comma then comma of course comma there need be no planning at all stop. It means trusting to luck stop. It is the old idea of fate stop. This is no good stop para. All over the world the idea of planning is being appreciated more and more stop. For an underdeveloped country comma particularly comma planning is essential stop. It may not be so necessary in developed countries semicolon they can perhaps do without it stop. But there is no other way but planning for an underdeveloped country like ours stop para. Again comma India is part of a region South Asia or a good part of Asia hyphen which is more or less underdeveloped stop. As a matter of fact comma even the progress and development of India necessitates the development of the countries around India stop. I do not mean to say that we cannot develop unless those countries also develop comma or that we should interfere with them stop. My point is that it is in our interest that other countries also develop stop. To think that the development of other countries comes in our ways is true only in a colonial pattern of society where we want to buy cheap raw materials from a country under our influence and impose our goods in a protected market stop. That does not apply to free countries stop. It is in our interest stop para. They are doing it comma but we have not been able to counter their propaganda to that degree stop. I totally share the statement issued by them stop. The response from our side comma the reaction from our side is not that strong comma as Shri Balramji had said and we have taken some measures on this stop para. Almost every member was keen to know the policy of the government comma what the government plans to do and what the government's action plan is going to be stop. In general comma I would like to say that our plan is very simple stop. We would do our best to bring normalcy stop. We have started having small development committees in every district. Stop. Para. I personally feel that till such time the administration reaches the people, comma, the people will not be able to tell their problems. Stop. There has to be some channel where the problems of the people could be reflected, and the administration should be wanting to know their problems. Stop. Why did we make some changes in the administration? Sign of interrogation. This is because we had complaints that officials were not going to the people. Stop. We wanted some people to be brave meet, comma, the people and get the feedback. Stop. So, comma, our approach is to fight militancy with a hard hit and with all the strength available at the government's command. Stop. We shall not allow militancy to grow in that area, comma, but with this we will see that our brothers and sisters of Kashmir are not alienated and that no common man suffers because of this. Stop. We might have to suffer because of militancy for a few months, comma, but we will see that the common man does not suffer. Stop. I think this is the requirement of any democratic country, that efforts should be made to see that the common man does not suffer. Stop. This approach would continue. Stop. Para. Development efforts have been started. Stop. I have had a discussion with the Honorable Governor when I stayed there for 2-3 days. Stop. I had meetings with various officers. Stop. They had some problem of finance. Stop. And it is a fact that benefits are not reaching the common man. Stop. It is a fact that in Kashmir benefits did not reach in the quantity as it should have reached the common man there. Stop. This was one of the factors which really agitated the people. Stop. I also agree with the honorable member's suggestion that in 1986 elections there was some lapse on the part of the government machinery and comma therefore semicolon there is the feeling that there can never be free and fair elections. Stop. Para. It is true that Farooq Abdullah has talked about going back to the pre 1953 days. Stop. I am sure that is a bargaining counter. Stop. He should realize, and everybody realizes, that we cannot entirely go back to the pre 1953 situation. Stop. That is not possible. Stop. But the principle of devolution of power in respect of Kashmir should be accepted by all of us. Stop. Otherwise, comma, there cannot be a solution to the problem of Kashmir. Stop. I would also like to make another point. Stop. If you really want to envisage a proper package for Kashmir, comma, it should not simply be a political package. Stop. It should also have a very strong economic content. Stop. The economy of Kashmir has been devastated. Stop. On the autonomy issue, comma, I would like to make one point before I come to the economic content in the package for Kashmir. Stop. When we talk of autonomy for Kashmir, comma, within Kashmir, comma, there should be autonomy for Ladakh and there should be autonomy for Jammu. Stop. Even in the state of Kashmir, comma, there are 3 distinct regions and that has to be accepted. Stop. Coming to the economic position, comma, the economy of Kashmir has been completely devastated by terrorist activities and all that in the last so many years. Stop. Our position is that it should be given high priority. Stop. We are happy that the Prime Minister had said that the budgetary support for the state should not remain confined to 70% but should go beyond this. Stop. Fine, stop. But he should be more categorical, and certainly we will support it. Stop.